This is the Future of Automotive with Steve Greenfield.
Welcome back to the latest episode of the Future of Automotive on CBT News, where we put recent automotive and mobility news into the context of the broader themes impacting the industry. I'm Steve Greenfield from Automotive Ventures, and I'm really glad that you could join us this week. An article in the Wall Street Journal last week identified a curious trend of consumers that are starting to forego the latest wave of technology-laden new vehicles and instead turning to more analog versions of slightly used vehicles. There seems to be a belief among some consumers that automakers' latest and greatest offerings, whether powered by gas, batteries, or hybrids, are inferior to the products they are replacing. We're starting to see more used car intenders reserve special loathing for the big touchscreen displays that are now ubiquitous in new cars, regardless of vehicle price. The elimination of analog switches and dials and virtualization of once simple, reachable controls into iPhone-like menus has left many frustrated and craving for the simplicity of earlier generations of cars. For some used car shoppers, they worry about the potential for eyes-off-the-road distraction. For others, it's a harder to define romanticism of a simpler analog user experience in the past. It will be interesting to see if some of the previous generation of vehicles actually hold their values better than some new vehicles simply because a large segment of consumers end up preferring the more analog in-cabin experience. Speaking recently to a number of collectors of high-end vehicles, many are foregoing the latest tech-laden vehicles with kinetic assist drivetrains, turbochargers, and automatic transmissions. There seems to be a growing interest to collect the last generation of naturally aspirated, large displacement vehicles with manual transmissions, which is just fine by me. So with that, let's transition to our companies to watch. Every week we highlight interesting companies in the automotive technology space to keep an eye on. If you read my weekly Intel report, we showcase a company to watch and then take the opportunity here on this segment to share that company with you. Today, our new company to watch is called South 8 Technologies. South 8 Technologies develops, manufactures, and licenses a liquefied gas electrolyte for advanced lithium-ion batteries that solves lithium-ion's typical, what they call fire and ice problems. It will allow battery manufacturers to replace liquid EV battery electrolyte with their gas electrolyte. South 8's patented LiGas electrolyte, as they call it, reduces fire risk and operates across a wide temperature range from -60 to +60 degrees Celsius. LiGas cells enable clean battery power to benefit more applications, environments, and people. LiGas is also compatible with common battery materials, increases energy, supports fast charging, and is cost-effective for battery manufacturers. Their evolutionary LiGas product enables lithium-ion battery operation in extreme climates with reduced fire risk, all with improved cost. They operate in new environments, including bitter cold, scorching heat, underwater, and in space. LiGas offers compelling advantages over standard liquid electrolyte for lithium-ion batteries, including reduced fire risk, a wide temperature range, increased energy, fast charging, and being far more cost-effective. If you'd like to learn more about South 8 Technologies, you can check them out at www.south8.com. So that's it for this week's Future of Automotive segment. If you're an auto tech entrepreneur working on a solution that helps car dealerships, we want to hear from you. We are actively investing out of our dealer fund. If you're interested in joining our investment club to make direct investments into auto tech and mobility startups, please join. There's no obligation to start seeing our deal flow, and we continue to have attractive investment deals available to our members. Don't forget to check out my book, The Future of Automotive Retail, which is available on Amazon.com, and keep an eye out for my new book, The Future of Mobility, which is almost complete and will be out soon. Thanks as always for your ongoing support and for tuning in to CVT News for this week's Future of Automotive segment, and we'll see you next week.
Thanks for watching The Future of Automotive with Steve Greenfield.